Experience world-class service at ILiving Apartments for Excel City Airport. ILiving Apartments for Excel City Airport offers accommodations in London. It features views of the city and is located 1.1 kilometers from Excel London and 3.2 kilometers from the O2. Free Wi-Fi is provided throughout the property. There is a seating area and a kitchenette equipped with a dishwasher. A TV is available. Greenwich is 2.1 miles from ILiving Apartments for Excel City Airport, while Greenwich Park is 2.3 miles from the property. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 1.2 miles from the property. Newham is a great choice for travelers interested in entertainment, sightseeing and tourist attractions. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.